Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by deciding your core role. This drives every action. Choose the single stat that most benefits your build and put the majority of early points there. Once done, add 1 to 2 points into a complementary stat to avoid crippling gaps in skill checks. Make sure to check skill prerequisites because some perks require minimum stats. This fast first step gives you immediate power spikes and unlocks important gear or abilities so you can engage the game confidently. Now you continue by planning mid-game thresholds and balancing growth. You should aim to hit key breakpoints like 6, 8, and 10 where perks or gear unlock. Invest attribute points to reach those before dumping perk points into weak synergies. Once you see what challenges appear, shift points toward utility, survivability, skill checks, or tech. Make sure to adapt to mission demands and avoid frequent respecs since they cost resources. This keeps progression efficient and ensures your build scales predictably. And finish by placing remaining points to unlock your late-game perks and meet equipment requirements. This is when you fine-tune attack speed, survivability, or hacking depth. If you find frequent failed checks, reassign 1 or 2 points into the offending stat to clear progression bottlenecks. Once done, make sure to use consumables, implants, or temporary boosts to cover shortfalls when a full respec is impractical. A single troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, prioritize the stat that opens the next major perk or gear slot.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.